watching from Coast Guard. We're gonna get out there and see what they're biting. All right, we made it out here on the water and we're 2 hours early, so I think I'm just gonna float around. I forgot a Sharpie to write something on. But yeah, we're out here. See what we can do. Sitting here throwing the fluke around and caught a pretty big halibut. I was just sitting here messing around if you hit it. Yeah. 21-inch. Alright, well I gotta retie after that, but that was crazy. I was just sitting there at the docks waiting for my buddy who's in the parking lot, dropping down a Zoom fluke and smoking shad, and I'm like feeling bait fish hit it, and then I felt something really hit it, and it ended up being a 21-inch halibut. So that's my PB. I caught it just sitting around, not really fishing, just messing around waiting. So good start. Good start to the tournament. Wouldn't have counted, but it's a good warm-up. Alright, tournament's starting right now. Number is 88. I'm gonna get it. Oh, I got fuck. Sorry, he felt small. There we go. Nice one. Yeah. Is that a calico? No, it's a spotted bass. Oh, nice. Yeah. Good size. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I think so. I'm fishing a tournament right now and the size is 12 plus. So this is definitely 12. Yeah. No.
But it's a nice size. I think you should pour a beer in its mouth and then beer out.
Take a sip.
Just keep it anyway. Oh, they're all going back.
Good start. Number 1 out here. 2 more to go. There we go. Good one right here. Hit it on the drop. Swim bait? Yeah. Needed that, yeah. Needed that. Oh, yeah. I think 14 and a half. There we go. Got that one. Nice fishery. Another nice one. He got off, dude. Fuck, that was a nice fish too. Oh, fucking missed him. Fuck. There we go. Got that one. Nice one, bro. Good one. That's what we needed. That's what we needed. Good fish right here. Don't pop off. Yeah. Yeah. This is what we needed. Yeah.
What, 2 14s and a 14?
Yeah. Fuck, he destroyed my shit though. I gotta retie. Fuck. Damn, he really fucked my shit up. That's my hook. Alright, here we go. That's a limit right there. So right now we're focused on upgrading fish. Drop shot hasn't been too hot for me. I've been throwing my swing head jig that I make on 4-inch smallmouth magic, and we're getting bit. Alright, well, it's getting kind of dark, as you can see. We're gonna fish a little bit more. We need like a 15-inch spotty. I might go out to Huntington Harbor tomorrow, first thing in the morning, try to get that 15-incher. I think this session's coming to an end. Probably get about another half hour or so, and then call it, and hopefully get back out tomorrow morning, Huntington Harbor. Hopefully we can get one more here though. There we go, there's a bump. Got him. This might be the one. Might be the one right here. Literally as I was stopping that last video. This might be the one. I don't think he's that big. Switching over to the white fluke seems to be the move. There we go. That's easy enough. Damn, he really tangled my shit up though. Fuck. What?
Like, he's fucking big, dude.
You gonna measure him?
Yeah.
No! Oh! Wow.
No picture. It was like 17 and a half.
Really? Oh man. Alright, we're out here, day 2, Huntington Harbor. And the goal today is to get 2 spotties, 14 and a half or bigger. Anything under that I don't need. So forgot to mention, we're throwing a new rod today. This is the Phenix Ultra MBX S drop shot rod. 7 foot, medium. Huge shout out to the homie that helped me get this rod. I've been trying to get one forever. Super hyped on that. It's treated me well. There we go. Got him. Very big though. I don't think he's gonna help. He's bleeding a bunch, so. Well, took about 5 minutes out here, but not the right size, so sent him home. Here we go. Tiny spotty, that ain't gonna help for shit. I'm not even gonna measure him. Well, that's number 2. They're not the size I'm looking for. It's nice to get bit though. Here we go. Oh, he just fucking got off. He broke me off, man. Fucking kidding. That was my only weight. Fuck. Man, that's a bummer. That felt like a good one too. I think he took me right under the dock right here and broke me off. Get back out, try it again. Oh, there we go. There we go. Might be a little better. There we go. Oh, sweet. No, he's only like 13.
Yo.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's going on, brother?
Yo.
Hey, you getting any today?
Is it alright? I got like
Yeah.
4 or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Fucking get him. How's the new rod?
Dude, I love it.
Is it? Okay,
Fucking
good.
love it.
Hell yeah.
Thank
If you need
you.
another one, let me know.
Thank you, bro.
These weekends, I'll let you know. We'll go out in the whaler.
Yeah, I'm down.
Hell yeah, I'll let you
Get it.
know.
Yeah, hit me up.
You got something big on there?
No, nothing right now.
Did you catch some stuff this morning?
Yeah, I did all right.
What'd you get?
Just a bunch of bass.
Throw them back or you keep them?
I throw them back. Good morning. Well, what a trip. I'd mentioned I'm using this new rod earlier, the Phenix Ultra MBX, and that's the homie that got it for me. Shout out to you, bro. Appreciate it. But it seems like the bite turned completely off, so I think I'm just gonna call it. I think we got 2 14s and a 14.5. I don't think that's gonna get me very high. Maybe top 10, but we'll see. My goal pretty much today was to come out and get a 14.5, 15-inch spotty. Probably had it, but I broke it off. That's the one I broke off under the dock. That's fishing. I'll put in the description what I got in the tournament, what place. Work my way back towards my car. I'm real tired, been fishing a lot. It is nice to be out here. It's a really nice day. As always, appreciate you watching, and I'll see you out here next time.